Local equities bounced back yesterday after sterling export figures for October sent a jolt of optimism through investors. The Straits Times Index, STI, closed up 41.08 points, or 1.23%, to 3,382.38, after sagging over a lackluster week as the earnings reporting season winds down. Gainers outnumbered losers 257 to 181, on a turnover of nearly 2.3 billion shares worth $1.29 billion. The rise in the STI mirrored a surge in United States indices, after Republicans pushed forward with their corporate tax reform agenda. The Dow finished up 0.8% on Thursday, while the S&P was higher by 0.82% and the Nasdaq rose 1.3%. CMC Markets Singapore analyst Margaret Yang said in a morning note, with positive sentiments from the U.S. and regional markets, Singapore stocks may slowly enter into a catch-up rally in the days to come. The downside is cushioned by relatively cheap valuation and improved business environment. All three Singapore banks finished up here. DBS Group Holdings added 79 cents or 3.39% to $24.13, while United Overseas Bank put on 36 cents or 1.46% to $25.06, while OCBC Bank closed up 20 cents or 1.75%, at $11.65. Telco StarHub added 5 cents or 1.8% to $2.83, right before the aftermarket announcement that Chief Executive and Executive Director Tan Tong Hai is stepping down on May 1. Fellow telco Singtel closed up 2 cents or 0.55% at $3.68. Earlier this week it put a Plum Hill Street property on the market with provisional permission to be redeveloped into a hotel project. City Developments added 21 cents or 1.77% to $12.11 as the developer pressed on with efforts to consolidate its stake in Millennium and Copthorne hotels. Commodity giant Olam, which this week posted a 17.5% growth in net profit for the third quarter, put on 4 cents or 1.86% to $2.19. Wilmer International shrugged off a 5.7% slide in third quarter earnings and added 1 cent or 0.32% to $3.16. Meanwhile, Golden Agri Resources finished 0.5 cents up, or 1.32%, at 38.5 cents, after slipping earlier in the week as earnings plummeted on the back of foreign exchange losses. But the news was not all rosy across the bourse. Cruise operator Genting Hong Kong closed flat at 23.5 US cents. It had earlier announced that its Star NCLC unit will be selling 5 million shares in Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings for $270.1 million.